look. With further ado, let's start this. So first thing first, I'm gonna use a moisturizer.
And then of course, I'm going to use, of course, O.two.o, and this is not sponsored. This is O.two.o in the shade of 2. And then, ako ra siyang isagol kay medyo light na siya sa akong skin. Ako siyang sagulan og dark gamay. By the way guys, I have a lot of pimple marks in my face here. So, kani pinakalit sa lamok. So, dapat ato ning tubunan with the use of this foundation. Then, I'm going to use, of course, O.two.o sponge or makeup or fluffy sponge from O.two.o. As you can see, there's a lot of excess foundation. So, may gamit ani niya talo, no? The next is, I'm going to use a loose powder kay medyo oily ra ang ako now, or dali ra makayo oily ang now. Gusto siya ma-produce of oil. Especially din sa akong dapit sa ilong and also the forehead. Of course, I am using O.two.o loose powder. The next is my eyebrows here. And I'm going to use eyebrow pencil from O.two.o. And the next is, I'm going to put a concealer in my eyelid. And of course, under the eye. So, kanang ubang hawd na mo makeup. So, ayun lang i-judge ang makeupan ha kay first timer. Next is, I'll put a little powder. And the next is, of course, I'm going to use my palette, my favorite palette from Faye shop. This one. This is looks like nude. It looks like. The package looks classy and of course look expensive, but it is very cheap and it is on sale at heyshop.ph in Shopee or Lazada. And of course, this one, the Jacqueline Hill palette in Hey Shop also, and it is on sale, I think 50% off, and it looks like there's a lot of color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 35 colors, and the other one is have only 18 colors. Simple naman ang atong look ron. I'm going to use first this shade, the light one, this one, and I will spread it all over my eyelid. And the next is, I'm going to use this shade. Next is this one. eyeliner, and I'm using O.two.o eyeliner. The next is I will put contour, and I'm using O.two.o powder. And how it looks like. I'm using O.two.o also, and this is their eyeshadow, and when you open it here, and of course the blush. Next is going to put a shimmer in my okay. Magbutang tag ilong-ilong para itan amo ra putag na ilong, so we'll put a nose line. Next is magbutang tagamay yung shimmer, and of course we're using O.two.o also a shimmer. For my lips, I'm going to use O.two.o.
Hope you like it. Please like, share, and of course subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Nightmares creep while you and me